We are in Dazzling Dishes kitchen, and today we are going to prepare bell pepper rings stuffed with kids' favorite veggies. So this is summertime and kids are around the home and you need to serve them some snack. So this is a very healthy dish you can serve them. This is a bell pepper. I'm taking a big one, orange. You can take yellow, green, whatever is available. I'm taking zucchini, carrots, potato, onion, then ginger garlic and some spring onion for garnishing. So the vegetables for the stuffing are corn, peas, tofu, grated ginger and garlic paste. This is the breadcrumbs. You can avoid this if you don't like. Then we have two types of cheese. One is mozzarella and one is cheddar. These are the spices like red chili powder, the spicy chili, coriander powder, then chaat masala. Then we have cumin seeds and salt. And you can change the stuffing according to the taste of your kids. So these are the burgers we'll be making today, and we'll be using the bell pepper rings as patties. So let's get cooking. This is an orange bell pepper which I have cut it into rings like these. These are almost half an inch. You can also use mini bell peppers and do the stuffing like a heart shape. So first we'll take a bowl and we make sure that these rings are almost half the inch in height. The same way we'll take the bell pepper and slit it into two like this. Take off the whites like this and another one like this. Easy peasy. Now second thing, we'll do the stuffing. So for that we need boiled potatoes. This is 1 cup of boiled potatoes, and on that we add some corn. This is almost half a cup of corn. We add some green peas. This is also half a cup of green peas. Finely chopped onion, almost half a cup. I've taken one almost medium, so I'm taking chopped ones. Then adding ginger garlic paste, almost 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Then I have to take these breadcrumbs. This is again 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Carrots. We are going to make it really colorful and at the same time healthy. This is tofu, so I am going to divide the recipe into 2 different parts. Tofu for people who like to have protein, and rest veggies, which is like only cheese. So this is mozzarella. I'm going to put a little bit of mozzarella. Now for the taste of the pepper is really enhanced if we put the black pepper, crushed ones. We have here oregano, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano. Here I've kept a little of red chili, half of a teaspoon. This is a little tangy masala which is known as chaat masala. So I'm taking again 1 small teaspoon. This is coriander powder. This is cumin seeds, again 1/2 teaspoon, and salt. So you have to make sure salt according to taste. So I'm taking a little dry red chili, crushing them and putting them inside. So this is also not very spicy, so kids can even have it. Now we are going to do a little stir. Place the bell pepper rings on the cookie tray. Make sure that you have greased it pretty well. And now I have started putting the stuffing inside. So this is how it will look like when you stuff the orange bell pepper rings with the veggie stuffing. Now to top it off, I'll put a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and my oven is already set for 365 degree. It's almost 6.5 minutes, and this is all ready to go inside the oven. So here is your bell pepper veggie patty ready, and it goes right on top of your burger. So time to make the burger. Let's spread it. Tomato sauce, And then we are gently going to put our bell pepper veggie patty on top. This is a cheddar cheese slice. We'll put one sliced tomato, few onion rings, spinach, and lettuce to top it off. Wow, and we'll close it. It's a big layered one. Sweet potato fries on the side. Like this, and few onion rings. And now your burgers with homemade bell pepper patties are ready to be served. Enjoy!